How about a little bit of animal spirit medicine? Today, the mouse. As in Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. America. Detail oriented, small minded, nitpicky, nervous. No. The mouse has an innate desire to tend to the details. It often spends its days fixing, preparing, organizing, and scrutinizing. Unfortunately, a mouse personality doesn't notice when they've gone too far. Soon they begin to have a limited and fearful vision of life, and try to control every detail. I wonder why. There's cats. This can be quite a painful experience for both the mouse and those around them, especially when there are no cats, but they think there are cats. When mouse energy is at play, step back for a moment. It may be time to find a more purposeful project to delve into, one that's worthy of your exacting eye. When you're imbalanced, you're organized, you're resourceful, you're prepared to bring your inner mouse wisdom on. A meaningful project. Be the best mouse you can be. Everything, every animal has something to teach us, even in their shadow side. Yeah. And maybe keep some cats around. Wouldn't hurt. Have a good day.